Hi, this is Jeff Warner. I'm going to tell you all about the voltages of your 11-pin connector, of these 4-pin connectors, including the one for the hard drive, and everything else. Okay, let's start here. These three orange cords right here, no positive 3.3 volts. These black ones here are COM cords, which control the computer, basically. Let's see this lime green one here. It helps your computer power on. Look at this blue one here. This blue one is negative 12 volts. And this red ones here count for 5 volts each. And these yellow ones here count for 12 volts. And the purple is 5 VSB. And this gray cord counts as a power on, which helps you turn your computer on. Okay, and this is just a extra power. As you can see, there are 2 more black cords and 2 more yellow cords. The black ones are the computer cords, and the yellow ones count for 12 volts. Okay, let's go here to these. Okay, these go on your hard drive, your CD-ROM, your second DVD-ROM or CD-ROM. Okay. On these, you can see a red cord, 2 black cords, and the yellow cord. The red's 5 volts. Let's see, the black is COM cords, and the yellow ones are 12 volts. As you can see, these cords connect to each other. These cords can come from the motherboard and your 21 pin connector. Actually, this basically powers on your power supply, and this is just your extra power. And these will power these stuff. Okay, then this one's for the hard drive. 5 volts. COM cord, 12 volts. Okay, and then look at this same pattern here. 5 volts, COM cord, 12 volts. Okay, and then we just place these back in here. P8 goes right here. These are pains. Next to P3 go here to help that fan pin to keep this device cool. And then this goes back on the hard drive to power it on. This 21 pin connector. Okay, I forgot to mention these come for 3.3 volts. If you didn't get it before, write that down. See, this goes in just like this. Nice and simple. And then the extra power. And I think we're done. Thank you for watching. I hope I helped you out.